So far, we covered the specs and use cases for each NHD series. Now it's time to look at the actual hardware you'll be working with. Each series offers a range of devices, and within the same series, you can mix and match them however you like. Just remember, devices from different series don't work together. Let's start with the NHD-100s. First up is NHD-120TX. It's the standard transmitter in the series, and honestly, it doesn't get much simpler than this. You get a small compact box that takes an HDMI input from a source and sends it straight onto the network. It connects to the switch using the LAN port, which supports PoE, so you don't need a local power supply. If your switch doesn't provide PoE, there's the power input instead. Right next to it, you'll find a 3-pin analog audio output. It extracts stereo audio from the input, which is handy if you want to have a separate sound system. For control, you get IR transmit and receive ports, along with RS-232. These make it easy to control external devices in your setup. On the front, you'll see LEDs that show power and network link status. Next up is NHD-120RX. The 120RX is basically the twin of the 120TX. It's the standard receiver in the series designed to take data from the network and send it out to your display. It also supports PoE, so there's no need for a local power supply. It also comes with a built-in scaler. It allows you to mix displays with different resolutions in the same project. It also supports video walls, so you can combine multiple receivers to create large display layouts. When it comes to the ports, they're exactly the same as on 120TX. The only difference is an HDMI output instead of an input. Next up is NHD-124TX. It's essentially 4 transmitters built into a single rack-mounted unit. It's a space-saving and cost-efficient option compared to using multiple boxes. Once connected to the network, the controller recognizes it as 4 separate devices. When it comes to ports, things are very straightforward. You get 4 HDMI inputs and 1 LAN port, since all streams are sent over a single Ethernet cable. When it comes to power, you need to use the power supply included in the original box, since PoE is not available here. Next in the lineup is NHD-120 in Wall TX. It's a wall plate transmitter designed for clean, user-friendly installations. It mounts directly onto a wall, table, or podium and gives you a front-facing HDMI input for your source. On the front, you also find an Ethernet port for network access, along with an IR transmitter for controlling an external device. Internally, it works just like a standard transmitter. The unit is powered by PoE from the main Ethernet port on the back. There is also the power input if you're not using PoE, as well as an audio output for a separate sound system. The next device in the series is NHD-150RX. This is a multi-view receiver. As mentioned earlier, the standard receivers support video walls, but they don't support multi-view, and that's where this device comes in. It allows you to display multiple sources on a single display with a variety of layouts to choose from. Now, here are all the devices we mentioned so far, along with the specs of the NHD-100 series.